What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 20 free stocks, MooMoo is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new MooMoo brokerage account. When you put $100 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 8 publicly traded stocks. You put $1,000 in that new MooMoo brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 publicly traded stocks. Get down in the description box, guys. Click on that MooMoo link. Don't miss this opportunity. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, Nvidia, however you want to pronounce it, I like to pronounce it money. That's how I like to pronounce it, money. Guys, in 7 business days, we have went from $104 a share to closing today at $130 a share. That's $26 per share in the last 7 business days. Now, I went on the record and said by the end of the month, my target price for this particular company stock would be $150 a share. I'm going to increase my price target to $160 a share. I think by the end of this week, we could be flirting with $140 to $145 per share. Remember, we have the Fed meeting minutes from their July meeting coming out on Wednesday. And I believe the tone of those meeting minutes will be dovish. They will be sprinkled with evidence that we're going to get a pretty good rate cut in September. I'm going to even double down more and say that when the Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks at Jackson Hole, I believe it's 10 a.m. Eastern time, on Friday, this Friday, he is going to further forecast rate cuts in September. Now, the question is 25 basis points or 50 basis points. We'll have to see. Remember, September 17th and 18th will be the Fed's FOMC meeting. Widely expected, we're going to get a big rate cut. Fingers crossed. Prior to that rate cut, Nvidia is going to have its Q2 fiscal year 2025 earnings report. Widely expected, they're going to kill it. They're going to kill it. They're going to beat expectations. At least that's what the market is saying, and that's what I believe. So therefore, going into September, you're going to have tailwinds at your back. And I think if Nvidia does well in Q2, I'm talking about really, really beats expectations, that will lift the entire stock market. And then when the Fed meet 17th and 18th of September, specifically the 18th, they're going to reduce interest rates. And my goodness, guys, if they reduce them by 50 basis points, this is going to be a monster fourth quarter for us. Now, keep in mind, that doesn't mean we don't have a pullback at some point early fourth quarter, late third quarter. We could have a slight pullback, but nothing like Black Monday, August 5th. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. I think we finished the year pretty strong. Of course, we got the election. Who knows what will happen with that and how that will affect the markets? I don't know. That's the only little unpredictable thing that can slightly derail us in the first part of the fourth quarter. But I don't think it will derail us to a point where we don't finish out 2024 super duper strong. I am still hoping Nvidia stock gets itself somewhere between $175 and $200 a share by year end. And I think we have the tailwinds to do that. If we can come off of if we can have a strong Q2 and then turn that corner and have a strong Q3, listen guys, we could be $175 to $200 a share. Now, again, this is not financial advice. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm not trying to tell you I'm some professional, because I'm not. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a CFP. I've never worked on Wall Street. I don't know anything about stocks, but I know a lot about companies and how they work and how they make money. And I also know a lot more about the 1% and how they make money. See, I've followed the 1% for 30 years, and I have built a tremendous amount of wealth just by following the 1% and doing what they do. In essence, copying their plan. So I don't have to know much about the stock market in order to copy the 1%'s plan, right? I don't have to know much at all other than do what they do. And that's what I built my 30-year investment career on, is just mimicking the 1% and doing what they do. I told you guys a month ago this would happen. I said when we get in the month of August, all of this will change. Go back and look at some of my old videos for July, my live streams. And you will hear me time and time again saying when August rolls around, all of this would change. And guess what? It has. In the matter of 7 business days. You go from $104 a share in Nvidia stock to closing today, Monday, August 19th, closing at $130 per share, guys. We have broken through the $125 resistance level. I'm not going to quite say we broke through 130 yet. Let's see how we do tomorrow. But I believe we will easily break through $130 resistance level tomorrow. Like I said, I would not be surprised by week end if we're at $140 to $145 per share. Guys, all I can tell you is get in where you fit in. Of course, you know I'm in this stock long term. I'm in this stock until it gets to $500, $600, $700, $1,000 a share. So over the next 3 to 5 years, that's how long I'm going to be in this stock. I love the wins, but these ain't the big boy wins. This is just starting the train down the track. Once we pick up full steam ahead, Richard Fang gonna make some net worth. And until I can realize the full potential of my big boy blue chip assets long term, like I mentioned this morning in my 10:30 a.m. live stream, I'm gonna concentrate on some of these shorties. Right, I'm gonna concentrate on some of these shorties like Serve Robotics, Rocket Lab, companies like that. In the interim, I'm gonna do a little bit of work with those to position myself to make some money short term, some FCF. Got to make that FCF until these long term assets pay off 10x, right? Because I'm not selling my Nvidia stock no time soon. The only way I would sell that stock if there's a material change in the company. If there's a business performance change in the company, which I don't see that happening based on everything I've read. Again, not a financial advisor, not trying to advise you, not trying to tell you what to do. This information I'm providing you is for, entertainment purposes only. It's entertainment purposes only. So all I can tell you though is what's happening, in my opinion, you need to consider hitching your financial wagon to some triple crown thoroughbred companies. And I think Nvidia is one of them. Now there's many others, but I really like Nvidia. But you guys also know I got SPLG, I have FTEC, and I got the Mag 7. So I'm covered, man. Those 4 investments, I'm covered. And then I got the shorties, right? Like I said, Rocket Lab, Serve Robotics, couple of shorties, Palantir is another shorty. Even though it's a big company, I still look at it as a short-term play. So yeah, man, Y'all got to figure this thing out, man. I'm here to help you do that by just providing you some clarity on what I'm doing. You certainly can copy my plan if you want to. Nothing wrong with that. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is informational purposes only. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you to go out and do anything that I'm doing. I'm just walking you through what I told you would happen. If you've been rocking with this channel since January, you'll know I told you all of this was going to happen. Told you it would. So just get in where you fit in. Like I said, get down in the description box, click on that MooMoo link, open up your MooMoo account today and get yourself up to 20 free stocks, publicly traded companies. And then put you some money in that, some additional money. Now, in order to get the 20 free stocks, obviously you got to put some money in. Put $100 in, you get 8 free stocks. You put $1,000 in, you get 20 free stocks. But now if you're planning on using this account to build wealth, you're going to need to consistently put money in and execute and buy big boy blue chip paper assets. So be prepared to do that mentally, right? Right? Make money, keep money, and then multiply money. That's the MO. Make money, keep money, multiply money. That's the plan. If you can do that and you consistently do it over a long period of time, you can build some wealth. Do me a big favor. Go check out my website too. It is www.richardfain.net. Over 300,000 of you guys have already went and checked out the website. Over 1,000 of you guys have bought digital products, so thank you. Almost 1,000 of you guys have joined the Wealth Builders Private Mentorship Club through the website. You'll see a membership button or a join button. It'll take you over to the Patreon website. We have the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. By the way, like I said, 4 months in existence, very close to 1,000 people over there in the Wealth Builders. If you want to be a part of that family, guys, go ahead and join today. Wrap yourself around this family so we can help you get to your pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Well, thank y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. Hey, man, another big day tomorrow for Nvidia, in my opinion, another big day. We're going to keep marching towards earnings, which is August 28th, about 7 business days. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited too. Lock it in with a thumbs up before you get out of here. If you want to share the video, share it. If you want to subscribe to the channel, subscribe. Do me a favor though, man. If you don't do anything else, get you a game plan together to get this wealth transferred in your pocket. That's happening right now. Get a plan together to transfer some wealth in your pocket. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.